Hey, if you want to open Google Gemini AI, all you have to do in your browser, just input the Google Gemini AI. Input this phrase and you will have to enter for the Google DeepMind. That's the official Google website, and all you have to do is just to go into the technologies and click to chat with the AI, or you can also click to explore more and you will be moved into this screen and tap to chat with the Gemini. And after this, you will be logging with your current Google account. For sure, right here, you can add the new Google account, sign out from the current Google account, and that's basically it. And from here, you can click and input any prompt that you want. On the left side, you've got menu with all of your chats, and you can find some base settings like real-time responses, extensions, and other stuff. You can also use your microphone and upload some images, and for example upload image and input prompt. So for example you are going to input like this picture, and prompt will be like, describe this picture in 5 sentences. And now you have to wait for the responses, and that's basically it. Right now, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.